Now we are starting P3 paper for year 2023. This is May-June 2023 9709 oblique 31 is the code of this paper. 1 hour 50 minutes is the timing and 75 marks are there. These are the instructions given in the P3 paper and the marks total is at the end of each question. Question number 1. Solve the equation 3 into e power 2 of x minus 4 into e power minus 2x is equal to 5. Give the answer correct to the three decimal places. So, question number 1 now. Solve 3 into e power 2 of x minus 4 into e power minus 2 of x is equal to 5. You are going to solve this question for the three decimal places for the values of x there. We can write this thing as 3 into e power 2 of x minus 4 over e power 2 of x is equal to 5. Now we take the LCM of these two. This is e power 2 of x. 3 into e power 2 of x into e power 2 of x is e power 4 of x minus 4 is equal to 5. Now you can cross multiply. So 3 e power 4 of x minus 4 is equal to 5 into e power 2 of x. This thing is e power 4 of x minus 5 e power 2 of x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we can suppose let e power 2 of x, because it is 2 of x and it is 4 of x, it is half of the power. So we call this thing as p. So e power 4x will become p square. So this expression will become 3p square minus 5p minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we can use the quadratic formula there, where p value is equal to minus 3 plus minus. So this is 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 3, 12, 4. 48 over 2 into 3. So this value is equal to 5 plus minus 73 over 6. Our p value will be equal to 5 plus minus 8.544 divided by 6. Our p value after doing this calculation 2.257, and the next is minus 0.59. But we have supposed p equal to e power 2 of x, that is equal to 2.52, or e power 2 of x is equal to minus 0.59. But this value is not possible as it is negative there. So we will evaluate this value only. So e power 2 of x is equal to 2.579. Taking log on both sides, so this will become 2x ln of e is equal to ln of 2.57, or 2x ln of e is equal to 1. So ln of 2.257, or x is equal to ln of 2.257 over 2, and that value is being calculated equal to 0.407 is the required value of x for this solution of the problem up till 3 decimal places. So this is question number 1 of that. Now we are going to proceed the next question there. Sketch the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 3 modulus. For question number 2, sketch the graph of 2x plus 3 modulus. So this graph will be, if we put x equal to 0, then y value is minus 3 by 2 there. Y value is minus 3 plus 3 there. And if we put y0, then x value is minus 3 by 2. So this is the sketch of this graph, or it is being shifted minus 3 over 2 units left of that origin there. So this is the sketch of this graph there. And then the part B there. Solve the inequality 3x plus 8 greater than 2x plus 3 modulus. So second part is 3x plus 8 is greater than 2x plus 3 modulus. And we are going to solve this question there. Since this is having many types, but we are going to opt the simplest method for this portion. We know that x modulus is basically equal to x square root, or it is equal to plus minus x. So you have two options there. When you remove the modulus, it can be plus x and it can be minus x. So either you can use method A there. 3x plus 8 is written is greater than 2x plus 3 whole square, then square root, by using the basic definition of this part. Taking square on both sides, this will become 3x plus 8 whole square is greater than 2x plus 3 whole square. And now we can solve this part like this, that if you open it, it would be 9x square plus 48x plus 64 is greater than 4x square plus 12x plus 9. This will become 9 minus 4 is 5x square. 48 minus 12, that is 36x, plus 64 minus 9 is 55, and that thing is greater than 0. Now you can apply this word critical solution. This means that you are making this equation equal to 0. Now you can apply factors method or quadratic formula there, which is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a value is 5, b value is 36, and c value is 55. So this value will become minus 36 plus minus 36 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 55 whole square root divided by 2 into 5. So this will become 36 plus minus, and this whole value will become 14 over 10, or this value will be equal to minus 50 over 10 or minus 22 over 10, or it is minus 5 and minus 11 over 5. Now we are going to draw the graph of this for this inequality. It is minus 5 and minus 11 over 5. Since the coefficient of x square is positive, so the shape of this graph will be minimum. Now it is required is greater than 0, that means positive. So after this value it is positive, and before this value it is positive. So you have two answers here: x greater than minus 11 over 5 or x less than minus 5. But whenever this is inequality sign, you have to simplify the answers according to that exact calculation there. Because our original graph is like this, minus 3 over 2 modulus is this graph. So if we draw the graph of this portion on this value there, so this is the nature of that graph. So that value is minus 3 over 2 there. So we see that it is greater than 0. So after this value, it is greater than 0. But we will verify it with the help of this calculation there. Let x is greater than minus 11 over 5, which we suppose that, let's say, x is equal to 0 there. We put that value into this calculation. 3 into 0 plus 8 is greater than 2 into 0 plus 8 modulus. So this is 0 plus 8 is 8 there. and this is 0 plus 8 is 8 modulus there, but 8 modulus is equal to 8, so we are not 100% verified this. Let's say x is equal to 1, we suppose, for this portion. So 3 into 1 plus 8 is greater than 2 into 1 plus 8. So this is 11 is greater than 2 plus 10 is this. So 11 is greater than what? 10 value there. So this value is correct for this portion, that x is greater than 11 over 5. This is the answer 1 there. Now we will recheck the answer for the second part, that x is less than minus 5. Let's say x is equal to minus 6. Now you put minus 6 into this calculation, then 3 into minus 6 plus 8 is greater than 2 into minus 6 plus 3 modulus. So minus 18 plus 8 is minus 10 is greater than minus 12 plus 3 minus 9. This implies that minus 10 is greater than 9, but this is not true. So this value will be rejected, because for this calculation minus 10 is greater than minus 9 modulus. So that is why we have accepted it only one value there, which is x greater than 11 by 5 there. So look at this graph. After 11 by 5, this value is greater than this modulus function there. And for this value is not, because this is not in the correct to the values of this portion there. If we use the second option for this part, we can make it plus minus x, and we again get the two answers. But whenever you are getting the answers in the inequality form of that equation, you always have to verify this answer with the original equation there. Sorry, here it is 2x plus 3. So you see that 8 is more than 3 value, that is correct. So this value is also correct for that. So whenever any value we get more than 11 over minus 11 over 5, this inequality is true for this question there. But if you select any value less than minus 5, then you have seen it there that it is not true. So that is why we select that value when x is greater than minus 11 over 5. So you can see this answer from this question statement there.